Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been waiting from 1 month to do this video and finally I am doing it today. Anyways, today's video is going to be street style store review and a haul video. So I've ordered a few clothes from SSS and I wanted to genuinely review these clothes. Since we all know after Shein going away, it was actually difficult to find another shopping site or brand or whatever. So I thought let's give this a try and I would like to share it with you guys are the clothes good or whatever it is. So that's why I'm making this video. So without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video. SSS has too many discounts. Okay, so now I am not going to tell you each and every price of whatever I brought because they have this offer called 3 for 999, 3 for 699 and 2 for 999. So they are one of them from one of the categories. And so that doesn't matter individually how much it costs because you can pick any three and you still get it for 999. I am telling you all now only, these genuinely took a month to come, and before shopping I already had this thing in my mind ki it's going to come after a month, so just be ready and don't think that your things are not going to come. I mean, till now whatever I have ordered, I have got them. Starting with the first one, I am wearing the first top that I bought. I am pretty happy with this top. The material is good, it's not thin. I mean, you all can see it's pretty thick. I ordered this in the size S. I really like this top. I didn't have a baby pink top and I genuinely wanted something in this color, and I think do the size a little because this is a little loose, so only that and nothing else. Rest everything is fine. Here's the second outfit. This is a coordinate set and wait, let me show you. I have to alter this set a lot, this, and I have to make the sides a little tight. Overall I like this, just if the sides would have been a good fit. Anyways, moving ahead with the third outfit. This is a coordinate set and I love this. This is in the size S. Okay, the material is a little thin. It is, I won't deny that, but it's not see-through at all. I don't think you all can see anything. I mean, I don't know, I too can't see anything. If you all can, then let me know. I'll have to do the sides, I think, and that is going to be with all the other tops that I've ordered. But overall, I think the fit is amazing. So one thing that I like about coordinate sets, you don't have to wear them as a set, you can wear them alag se also. This is one of my favorite. I would definitely recommend you all to buy this and we could win, guys. Anyways, so moving ahead with the next outfit. This is in the size S. Yeah, it is loose. The top is looking bad because it's loose. If it's tight fit and everything and it's fitting my body, it'll look really nice. I am happy with this, just that the fact that I have to freaking alter all of this is annoying. Also here, but the skirt is, I love it. This color is, I don't know, I like it. Anyways, yay, I'm happy. So my next outfit is a palazzo. I'm done with the coordinate sets. I just ordered 3. My mom loves plazos and she told me to order this one for her. So I ordered this in the size M. But it is fitting me, but obviously it's looking weird. Anyways, let me just try and show it to you guys. So here's how the plazo looks. Obviously it's not fitting me. It is loose. I mean, if it was a little tight, just a little tight, I think it'll fit me. 1 minute. I'm sorry guys, I have to do this to show you. The material is not at all see-through and it's really comfortable. I'm not even kidding, not even exaggerating. It is nice. Overall, this is a good one. What else do we need now? Anyways, moving ahead with the next one. The material is so good. I'm not even exaggerating. I swear the freaking material is soft. It's freaking soft. I just have one thing with this. It is long. It is freaking long. And I ordered this in the size M because I thought what if S would be short again? So let's just go with M. Also, it is a little loose. I have to alter this also. Overall, honestly, I love the material, like I love the material and the color. Only if I would buy this in the size S, everything would be perfect. It is loose again, but this top is short. But I think this would be okay if I would wear these with plazos because I have high-waisted plazos. Also jeans, the material is amazing. I mean, I wish you all could feel this, but the material is good, guys. And the only problem that I have with this top is it is short. I wish this would be a little longer, then it would have been much better for me. All of this stuff got delivered 3 days back when I put a story on Instagram. That's exactly when I got them, and I had to wear them. I had to try it that time because they had tags on them which said no, like if you remove the tag we won't be able to exchange. So I had to try it that time, like in case I wanted to exchange anything. And so I obviously immediately put them for wash. Please make sure you do that. I mean, even though they are taking all the possible precautions, even we have to. So yeah, just take care about that. I think you can shop from SSS. Now again, I'm repeating, the only problem with them is the delivery. They take a lot of time. Oh, also I forgot to mention, I ordered a guy t-shirt, whatever. But I will just insert a picture. I've been using SSS since more than 2 years. I've ordered sandals, I've ordered shoes, I've ordered clothes also now, and I don't know what is left to order from there. Also, you'll see clothes on that site that look a little like Shein, so plus point. And I think you could count this as a Shein alternate. Like, you can download the app. They have an app. They also have a site. I mean, you just have to type Street Style Store and you will get it. And if you have any query regarding the whole thing, like the app or whatever, you can ask me down in the comments. And also, I would like to know what you think about this. And I hope this video is helpful to all of you watching this. That's it for today's video. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye guys. Mwah.